Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am sharing another video from my recent trip to Mumbai. I'm stuck in traffic, but I'm off to meet a very dear friend and taking a copy of my book 30-Minute Indian for him, though I know he doesn't really need my book to cook Indian food because he is a great chef himself. But I am visiting his home for the first time, and this is very, very exciting. And it's none other than Mr. Saransh Gola. You might have seen him on my channel before when he came to visit me in Kent, and this time I am in his beautiful home in Mumbai. Look at him. We cooked something delicious, which he shared on his Instagram. But I just want to show you around his stunning kitchen. Look at all the spices, the lentils, all these beautiful utensils, which I was joking to him that I might steal a couple if he's not watching me. This is the chili garlic rumali roti that we cooked for his Instagram. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. It was delicious, by the way. And then we were off for some delicious lunch to Udupi Sri Krishna in Andheri. I had not had a South Indian meal in this trip, so I was super excited. The menu was vast, it was amazing, everything sounded delicious. Obviously they have Mangalorean food, but they also had North Indian food, they had Indian Chinese. Obviously we went for Mangalorean South Indian food, and here is what we ate. We ordered some idli vada, which is a plate where you get one idli and one vada, and I have to say these were the softest vadas I've eaten outside of Madras. They were so delicious. You can't beat South Indian food in South India, but this was really delicious South Indian food I've had in Mumbai. The idlis were super soft, the chutneys were spot on, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Then came in the Mangalorean buns and some rava masala dosa with more chutney and sambar. I had never had Mangalorean buns before. This was totally new to me, and they're made with a little bit of banana, some flour, and they kind of feel like they're made from fermented dough. They were delicious, I have to say, a very slight touch of sweetness. And this was the paneer ghee roast, which obviously, as the name suggests, made in ghee, though we didn't taste loads and loads of it, but it was just delicious. My favorite thing was the paneer ghee roast after the vadas. They were just so stunning. So the Mangalorean buns were something totally new. Do you think I should give it a go on my channel? Do you think I should try them? Here is the neer dosa. Now neer actually means water, and these are really light, fluffy kind of dosas made with just rice flour. Everything was delicious. We had such a fantastic meal. The lunch was stunning, and I don't think I'll be forgetting this meal anytime soon. Obviously, I had great company, and I have to say thanks to Saransh for taking me to this place to enjoy this delicious meal. We wrapped up the lunch with some gulab jamuns, which was the only kind of slightly disappointing thing in the whole lunch we had. They were not the best gulab jamuns I've ever had. I've had much better ones. So they were still nice, but definitely could do better. And that was it. We had a really great catch up, a really delicious meal, and it had to be finished with something sweet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back in a couple of days with a recipe. Bye for now.